So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once again, once you subscribe to this channel, click on that bell notification. So once we drop an update, instantly you will get the update and you will not miss out on the updates. Now let's start with our trend on our euro gold. This is our current trend. We have the main trend, by the way. We have the current trend and we have the main trend. This is our main trend on USD gold. Our main trend is in an uptrend move. As you can see, this is a full bigger trend. This is our main trend itself. We are in an uptrend move. Market is pushing up. So basically, if you are a position trader that would like to hold your position for the next 3 to 4 months, you can go in for the buy. But since you are a day trader, you would want to see what market will be doing for the day. We need to go to our 4-hour time frame and we are going to make use of our current trend. Now, what is the current trend? The current trend is a downtrend move. Now, this is the movement here. This is our first low that gold gave us. Then this is the lower high. Gold was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Gold was able to drop one more time to form a new lower low, and this is the lower high that gold is currently playing. So once the London section opens up, probably the Asian section, whatever section, just look for your sell setup that will push gold again to drop to form a new low. So guys, for the day we will be expecting a bearish move on. More updates will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.